think it's Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas. It should be December 1st by the time this vlog is going out. I'm just having my breakfast. I'm super excited. It's currently November 27th, I think. So it's not quite December 1st because in order to get everything edited and sent out, in order to get everything edited and uploaded, I have to film it beforehand. So it's a few days before because I know I work all weekend. So happy Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I love the holidays. I'm so excited for December. It's supposed to snow today and it was supposed to snow last night, but it's raining right now. So it's not really the most festive outside, but that's okay. I have the entire morning off. So this morning I'm gonna spend my time wrapping gifts as well as cleaning up the house a little bit. I'm just gonna have my breakfast. I'm also going to edit the vlog that's going out tomorrow, I wanna say. Yeah, exciting. I'm so excited for Vlogmas, guys. Let me know in the comment what you wanna see in Vlogmas. Like, do you wanna see workouts as well? Maybe we'll save those for January, for New Year's resolutions, maybe a challenge or something. Let me know if you want like a Q&A. Let me know if you want, I don't know, just vlogs every day or like what I eat a day, literally anything. Just let me know in the comments and we'll try to make it happen. But I'm gonna have my breakfast and then get ready for the day and clean up, do some Christmas wrapping, and maybe even do a ballet class or a workout class. So adorable the way you're sitting right now. I can't, you're so cute. Oh, hello, princess. It's rainy today, isn't it? All right, so I just finished editing my vlog and it's already 11:30. Time went so quickly and so fast. So I'm gonna make the bed and then get ready for the day because I'm still in my pajamas, but gotta make the bed first. I know it's 11:30, so it's late, but I'm gonna do a Pilates class after lunch because Steve has his lunch at 12 to 1. And then I don't work until like 3, I wanna say, or 3:15. So I have some time to do a Pilates class and a dance class, but I was going to cycle today, like on the bike. But I washed my hair yesterday and I said in the last vlog, I really don't like pair super sweaty workouts with clean hair days. You guys can relate to me if you also have long hair. It's such a pain if you sweat and you have to wash it and you didn't really have to wash it, like you could have waited a day. So I try to work my workout schedule around my hair wash days, if that makes any sense. And also my gross chore schedule around them. Like if I'm gonna do the cat litter or like deeply clean, I'm not gonna do it on a day where my hair's clean because I'm gonna wanna wash my hair after that. So anyways, make the bed and then have lunch and then probably do Pilates. And I didn't do any kind of cleaning really. I just edited my vlog, did the thumbnails, pretty much it. But it's raining still outside. And oh my gosh, we got tickets to see Wicked tonight. So excited, it's gonna be so much fun. We got a new air fryer. It's so cool because you can see the food through the little window. All right guys, this is quite embarrassing, but it's 2 o'clock. I just had lunch and I'm still in my pajamas. So I'm gonna have a coffee and do a workout because I teach in about an hour. I think I teach at 3 o'clock. I better get moving. I'm wearing these pants. I wanna say they're from Winners or Old Navy. I can't really remember. And then this top I think is potentially also, no, it's Pop Flex, that's where it's from. But I love these pants too because they're just such a cute color pink. I'm going to throw my watch, put on a Pilates workout on the TV downstairs, maybe put a candle on and do a workout. Okay, Google, turn on all lights. Like I said in the last vlog or a couple of vlogs ago when I did a Pilates class here, I just need my Pilates to be like, and my yoga and any workout class to feel zen and comfy and cozy, especially when it's cold outside. I also have these ankle weights I think I'm gonna throw on today and challenge myself a little bit more. Maybe I'll put them on my arms, but let's start with the ankles because I'm gonna do a pretty short workout considering I have to teach in about an hour and I don't have a lot of time because I want to work out and then have a shower, be clean and be ready. And then we're pretty much leaving to go see Wicked right after I'm done teaching. So I need to make sure that I'm ready to go and see Wicked as well and do my skincare, hair, makeup, etc. after a shower, of course. These are so chunky. I put the like thinner, I think they're from Gaim or whatever that yoga brand is that I always get yoga mats from. But I think I put them on my wish list because these are so clunky and chunky and not the best for doing like Pilates because when I'm doing things, they're always in the way. Move with Nicole.
So roll up the vertebra by vertebra. beautiful stretch through your shoulder. Take a moment here to pedal our heels, alternate bending your knees.
I'm definitely a different looking creature after class versus the beginning, but that was great. I actually got pretty sweaty, so I'm gonna go shower and rinse off super quickly. These were definitely more of a challenge. Oh, my ankle's so sweaty. It definitely was more of a challenge using ankle weights, so I think I'm gonna use it again, especially for the core, because that's where I feel like I'm already challenged, but I could use a bit more of a challenge for the core. So it was really fun to use that. Well, fun is a different kind of word that people would use, but I don't know if it's considered fun for most people. It's challenging. It was hard. I felt like I was not gonna make it, but it was fun. It was good, is what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna go rinse off and then probably sort through the laundry, get ready, because I have about 45 minutes until I teach my online classes. I actually teach from 3:15 until 6, and then we're leaving straight away to go to the movie theater because the movie starts at 7. I just put on these like under eye things and I'm gonna do my skincare. I don't know if I have time to like curl my hair, but it might be a little bit curly taking it out of this bun, but I do have to teach in about 20 minutes. So I'll put this on for 15 minutes, take them off, and finish my makeup right before class. I also love using this body butter. I got a few compliments in person that I smelled really good, and I think it's because of this, because I didn't wear perfume when I got the compliments, so I attribute it to this body butter. I went with this pink shirt. Might change my mind for when I'm teaching, just because it's like really thick and warm, which will be good for the movie theater, but not so good if I'm sweating and running around and teaching. But let's do some skincare and basically get ready, because I teach in 15 minutes and I want to be ready by the time I'm done teaching, because we basically have to leave the house right away. So I'll do a bit of skincare, including the new superfood skin drip I got from Youth to the People with Smooth and Glow Serum, or it is a Smooth and Glow Serum with kale and peptide, dandelion root, niacinamide, and it's a postbiotic. So I'm gonna use this. I love the way it makes my skin feel after. I also love the color. Oh my gosh, I'm so wicked right now. Guys, I don't think you understand how excited I am to see this. I mean, you probably do, because I'm sure the majority of you watching this, because I'm a ballet dancer, I feel like most dancers love theater and most theater kids love dance. Like, it just goes hand in hand. So if you're also excited for Wicked, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you've never heard of it, but you're gonna go watch the movie, let me know, because I don't think Steve's ever seen it or like knows the story of it, so I'm excited for him to experience it. It'll be fun. I remember like there was an obsession with Wicked in my school when I was in elementary school for a while, and every single time there was some kind of assembly, someone was singing Popular or Defying Gravity. I'm not gonna lie, I loved it. I'm not a singer myself, but every time they'd sing Defying Gravity, I'd go back home and be like, Defying Gravity. I'm not a singer. I'm not gonna do too much makeup, because honestly I'm gonna get home and probably want to go straight to bed, so I'm not even gonna do waterproof, although I should, because I might cry. Maybe it's a good idea to do waterproof. Okay, we're doing waterproof just in case, but you know what, I'm gonna do some sparkles. I love this Moon Dust collab with Urban Decay and Essie. What a duo. We do want a brush to do said makeup, because there is no way I am using my finger right now, because I'm going to complete my skincare using my finger. Here we go. Using this Miss Glam brush and the Moon Dust shimmery colors. This is the shade Space Cowboy Rides Again. I love the names. They're so quirky. So shimmery and pretty. Are you kidding? So gorgeous. I'm just gonna dust that on. I just want to look sparkly, you know? So I'm also going to add on A-List Energy. What time is it? Okay, I have about 10 minutes. A-List Energy is probably my favorite, because it's like, look at that. It's so shimmery. I'm obsessed. Gonna do the eyebrow. Maybe I shouldn't wear mascara, because again, if I cry, probably not a good idea to wear mascara. But I have to do my brows since I shaved them to this straight shape. Also, I need to clean the bathroom. Just looking at the vanity and stuff, so don't mind that. It's been a busy day, and by busy I mean not busy at all. I was in my pajamas until like 2 or 3 p.m. Oh my goodness. But I honestly needed it. I don't know why I was so tired today. And you know what? Usually I feel really guilty if I don't have a bunch of stuff done by noon. Today I did not feel that guilty. That being said, I still have my vlog like edited and done and, you know, uploaded. So I still got stuff done. I didn't just like sit around and do nothing. Felt like it though, because I was pretty much in the same space, same place, same pajamas for like 3 hours shoot. So I wasn't gonna put mascara on. It's fine. It's fine. At least it's waterproof, which is what this girl needs right now. Okay, we're just gonna put like a thin layer so it's easy to take off tonight before bed. My legs are kind of shaky, I'm not gonna lie. I did the move with Nicole Express 20-minute Pilates, and there's a lot of leg heavy stuff, and I wore those ankle weights, so I definitely got a good workout in. I was sweating quite a bit, so I'm really glad that I ended up showering. Because sometimes, you know, after yoga and Pilates, this might be gross, but like I know I'm going to sweat again later in the day because I'm going to exercise or teach an exercise class or teach a dance class. So I usually hold off on showering until the end of the night, unless I'm actually like really sweaty and gross. Like if I was cycling, no way, I have to shower immediately. But if it's like a yoga class where I'm not really sweating, fine, but that class got me. They got me. Okay, that is it for makeup. Okay, this tripod is so crooked and I'm so sorry for that. Why is it so crooked? Okay, that is probably the best it's going to be, friends. But I'm going to get changed, do a ballet class. Let's go. I'm actually wearing my tights underneath for once in my life. Savor this moment, friends. I'm wearing this leotard that I got at a dance boutique. I forget, I think it's Capezio or Mondor, I don't really remember, but I'm going to do a ballet class, throw on a skirt because this feels wrong to be in just leotard and tights like this, but this leotard is so pretty. It's actually my lucky leotard because it got me into a program. Well, it didn't get me into the program, but I wore it and I got accepted to the program. So I'm gonna wear this Leo and a skirt and do a ballet class, I think downstairs in main room. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this skirt is like tiny. It's very short, but it's kind of a vibe. So we'll do that and maybe some leg warmers too because it's pretty chilly today. And I have about an hour until we're gonna have lunch and then I have to get ready for work because I have to leave the house. So I might not do a cycling class today, but I will do a good ballet bar in my flat shoes. That's about it. I'm going to do a dance master class because I accidentally auto-renewed another year of it, but that's okay because I loved using it last year. I didn't use it as much as I would have liked because I didn't have a lot of time. So I'm going to make it a priority to use it like nearly every day during the holidays at least, and then maybe 2 to 3 times a week because I'd go weeks where I'd literally use it every day and I'd do a bunch of the classes. Like when I was on vacation, I downloaded some of them and that was great. But then I got so busy that like I just didn't use it as much as I would like to, and it's such a great platform and such a great investment. So I'm going to make use of it more, including today. I'm also gonna throw on some pants to start out bar because it is pretty cold, and I'm just gonna do a ballet bar. Like I'm gonna follow one of the classes on Dance Masterclass. These pants, oh guys, this hole is not okay in these pants. Oh well, I guess these are more leg warmers now. I didn't think the hole could get any worse in these pants. Guys, I split my pants, I guess. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Oh my god, these are terrible. All right, with the skirt and the pants, I'll do a ballet class now. This is definitely something I'm going to have to do at some point this weekend. Okay, these are my favorite ballet classes.
Okay, here we go. Dilara to the side. Roll your feet. And we're gonna go 2 tondies to the side. And 1. Yeah. And breathe up and over. Big deal. And open. Allongé. And 1.
Okay guys, I just had lunch and I want to keep up with like the momentum I've been going with my exercise plan, being doing a cycling class at least 2 or 3 times a week. I know my lipstick looks crazy. I just ate lunch. But anyways, I'm going to do a cycling class right now. I just did a ballet class this morning and I didn't really break a sweat. It was like a really easy class. It was really fun though. So I'm going to do a cycling class and then shower and get ready for work. And I'll probably end the vlog there. But since it is December 1st today, by the time this vlog is going out and it's Vlogmas, I did want to do some kind of advent calendar. I don't want to do the chocolate one because I feel like that one's one I can do on actual December 1st, 2nd, 3rd, etc. But I thought I would show you guys the David's Tea advent calendar that I do have. So I'll show that after because I will definitely want a tea after showering because it's so cold. And when my hair's wet, I get cold. So let's get changed and do a workout class. All right. So the top, hang on, you guys can't really see. The skirt is actually from Halara. I've had it for a really long time and I haven't worn it in a really long time, hence the wrinkles on it. But since it's a home workout, it's not that big of a deal. So I'm just gonna wear it like this. Put some socks on and do a cycling class. I always need to feel cute during a cycling class, hence the reason I'm wearing something like this versus just like my sweatpants, because if I don't wear something cute, I don't feel as motivated or like, yeah, as motivated. Plus I get super sweaty, so I don't really wear sweatpants and sweaters. Okay, let's go. Oh, I also have to change my Apple Watch because I don't like wearing this wristband. A, because it's a bit looser, so it slides around a lot more. And B, I don't want it to start tarnishing. Again, not the most aesthetic gym, but it works for today. Whew. That was sweaty. That was much needed. That was good. I'm gonna stretch for a little bit and then shower because I have to teach in about an hour. And then I'll show you guys the advent calendar for today, which is the David's Tea one, which is just in the extra room over there. Ow. Oh my goodness. I always get so sweaty from cycling classes, but I know it's good for me. This is the stretch that I feel the most in my glutes. They're always so tight. This is just a stretch for me right now. Usually I can go forward, but not today. That class yesterday with Move with Nicole really got to my glutes the best way though. All right, we are opening the first tea out of this advent calendar. You ready, Steve?
Ready.
Okay, let's open day number 1. Elsa's helping us too. Oh, watch out for the glass and stuff. Wow, this is so cool looking. Wow, okay, where's number 1? All right, let's open it. Ooh, Paul White. Bright floral and delicate. Are you excited to try this one?
Yes.
All right, let's have it. Let's have it now. Okay. So I actually took my tea into work with me to go, and I loved this tea. It was so delicious. I'm so excited to try all the other ones in this David's Tea advent calendar. So I'll let you guys know how the rest of them go each and every day. I know I can stick to that because I love tea. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care until then. Bye.